Right, how do? I've been and got myself the DJI Mini 2 drone. I've opted for the Fly More combo bundle with a few extra batteries, propellers and stuff. This is the actual drone. It's tiny, it's wrapped up, folded. I've never flown a drone before, I've never had one, which is pretty obvious when you watch this video. Have a watch, see what you think. A few lessons to be learned and a lot more practice required. Enjoy. Right, afternoon, it's Saturday, 26th of March, and this little beauty's just arrived, which is a DJI Mini 2 drone. Anyway, you got to excuse my voice a bit because I'm suffering from a bit of a sore throat and I feel like crap today.
Unboxing.
Look at that. Right, let's see what we have in here. The packaging, here we have it. DJI Mini 2. Right, it's a DJI Mini 2 with a Fly More combo, which is a few extra things with 3 batteries, etc. Anyway, we'll open it up. So we get this wrapper off. Here we go. Nice little carry bag. So see what's in here. And we have the drone itself. So really excited about this thing. I'm going to gently unclip it. There's the little tiny strap. Bottom one, flips that way, which I didn't know. Right, that is so light. It looks so delicate, but it's supposed to be so powerful. So yeah, how do I fold it back up again? That way. So we'll put that to one side for now. What else we've got in here? Which is the remote control battery pack, I think. Yeah. Right. So we've definitely got a Samsung connector, because I thought we might not have one. That was just iPhone. There we go. The remote control. This is a lot bigger and heavier than the actual drone itself. Right, first of all, we've got the little joystick controllers, which are neatly packed away under there. I'll go through all these controls a bit later. Let's have a... Right, this is the lead that I need myself for my Samsung S9, which I'll leave that in there. That's it. And there, like so, nice and snug. And that is gonna... Right, so that's all ready to go. I've yet to download the app for the flying app for the drone itself. But what I'll do now is, as nervous as I am, I'm going to get it all charged up and we'll go and give it a first flight, okay? Fingers crossed it goes okay. Back soon, see you now. That's one battery charged and the other one's starting. It's a bit too dark to take it out tonight. Yeah, the remote control's fully charged. Right, powered it all up, trying to pair it, and it's getting some firmware update. So once that's done, we'll be out in the field somewhere having a go. Right, here we go. My backside's twitching. See if we can get it up and have a go. Right, so it's top one's first, bottom one's back over, that one's back over, plug that in, fire the app up, there's one, short press, long press, And the same again. Short press, long press. We've got picture. Right then, I'll face that the other way so that. Right, it's recording. Oh, damn. I'll put me controls on, shall I? Silly sod. Sorry about that. Dozy sod, eh? Kind of a bag of nerves here. Right, here we go. Press record and take off permitted. Oh, right, so I hold that. Well, hey. Right. So, forward I think. Yeah. Forward. Backward. Up. Down. Right. Sideways. That's me and you, Joe. Yeah, there we are. And now go up. Hey. Oh well, that went well, I think. Something more confident.
Can you see?
Yeah, it's turned on now. Yeah.
Oh my god. Here we go, Shanks. I literally can't see.
That was good. Big signal.
Oh, bring it back then, Jack.
Right.
Yeah.
900 feet we're away.
You want to bring it back then?
Hang on. There's our house.
Alright.
There we are, there's you.
No. You know where you're going?
That was scary. Oh, there's our field. Should be able to see it soon. Or hear it.
Oh, hear it.
God, I'd lost it there. Oof. Yeah, RC signal lost. I went about 950 feet, I think I went. Right.
I can hear it.
That's just what I do, I think. Oh dear, dear. That was fun, wasn't it?
Turn it off.
Yeah, yeah.